In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a reply in Zendesk. Whether you're new to Zendesk or looking to brush up on your skills, this guide will help you navigate the reply process smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about choosing the right type of comment for your situation. When you want to communicate directly with the person who submitted the ticket, you'll need to use a public reply. This is essential because anything you write in a public reply will be visible not only to the requester, but also to any users who are CC'd on the ticket. It's a great way to ensure everyone involved stays informed and up to date with the latest responses and developments. On the other hand, there are times when you may need to keep communication within your team without involving the requester. For these scenarios, you'll use an internal note. Internal notes are designed for internal communication between agents and are not visible to the customer. This feature is particularly useful for discussing ticket specifics or coordinating actions that shouldn't be shared with the customer directly. Once you've decided on the type of comment that's appropriate, it's time to compose your response. Start by typing your message into the ticket reply editor. Zendesk provides a great range of formatting tools to help you make your message clear and professional. You can use rich text options to bold or italicize important information, and don't hesitate to attach files or include links if they help provide additional context or necessary details. This attention to detail not only enhances clarity, but also helps in resolving issues effectively and efficiently. After you've crafted your message and ensured all necessary information is included, it's time to submit your reply. To do this, find and click the Submit button, or its equivalent, to post your response. Keep in mind that if you're submitting a public reply, it will automatically trigger an email notification to the requester. This ensures that the requester receives updates promptly and can respond or take further action if necessary. It's an automatic way to keep the lines of communication open and seamless. And there you have it, a straightforward process for sending replies in Zendesk. By understanding the difference between public replies and internal notes, composing messages using helpful formatting tools, and ensuring your reply is submitted correctly, you'll enhance both your productivity and the overall customer service experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your Zendesk tickets more effectively. Remember, great customer service is all about clear communication, so keep practicing these steps to get better and faster. Until next time, take care.